channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be doing a video, very blue eye. I just feel like doing a very blue white makeup look for the winter. Some really pink cheeks, and I haven't decided with the lip. Maybe a cool tone lip to go with the cool tone back. And I'll take all of this off and we'll get ready together. Before I start the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Go like this. Woo. The naked Moira baby. First thing we're gonna do is take some white concealer on the eyelids to block it out and make it super bright. Also, look at this crochet scrunchie. Feel cute. Okay, let's zoom in on the peepers a little. Not so much you can't see the sparkle lights. These babies are staying up all freaking year. I don't care. The world is crumbling, so I'm gonna create a whimsical world in my own apartment. I need whimsy or I'll scream. Doesn't feel as crunchy anymore. The first time I used this, it was like really stiff. I also feel like I just used a lot. So let's see what happens. Oh God. I still need to do my Victorian makeup look. I'll do that next. Very excited about it. Ooh, nice and bright. This brush really blends it out better than a sponge, I feel like. Got this at Five Below. They have some pretty good makeup brushes. Nice. Blend it out a little. Perfect. Nice and bright. Let's just put it here too. It's a little distracting in that area. Just setting it down with a translucent, no color powder. I usually would use a white eyeshadow, but I cannot find that palette that I usually use. So it's whatever. I'm gonna go in with this Nikki Tutorials Beautybay palette. Isn't it like amazing? I feel like it's like the perfect representation of my personality. And I think I want to use this called Plot Twist, which is that baby blue cute shade for this icy blue winter look. Let's try it out. Ooh, yes. I love blue eyeshadow. Think about like a lot of iconic makeup looks in cinema. A lot of them have blue eyeshadow. I've been thinking about blending my love of movies and like film and shows and stuff with my channel. My husband's like a connoisseur. I always say he should start a podcast or a movie review site because he'd be so good at it. His brain is just movies. He knows it all. But I thought about like iconic makeup and movies we could recreate. So like think Pearl, think that blue eyeshadow with the freckles and the pouty lip. I mean, I already did it once. I did the Love Witch makeup tutorial, which is a movie one, and it turned out really cute. So if there's a movie makeup look you want me to recreate, comment below what that would be, because I'm curious in trying that. I'm just gonna bring it all the way over. I might go in with I haven't decided. Do I just want to do the whole lid blue? I'm gonna do the whole lid blue, but I'm gonna buff some white, I think, if I can find that powder into it so it doesn't look as harsh here. And I'm gonna take a navy or dark blue to add some dimension. Okay, now we're gonna take a little tapered brush, and I might go in with this blue here just because it's here. Calculate the next plan. Kind of looks a little 60s. Maybe if I keep it like that. I'm just gonna take it on a little brush here. I might go into another palette for a deeper shade. Found this American Eagle Elf palette, which I really like, and it has some more deeper tones. So we're gonna go in with this indigo. It's like a navy color. This is a lot more intense than I thought I was gonna go. Thought I was just gonna do a bright blue with some sparkle over it, some transparent sparkle. I feel like that's pretty well done on the internet. I don't know if we really need more of that. It's all I see really. And it's what I was planning on doing, so I just was going to be doing more of the same makeup that we're already seeing. So I'm kind of glad I'm branching out and trying something different. We're also gonna take this baby blue in here called Mom Jeans. That's a little bit more blue. Ooh, I feel like this would be the Corpse Bride's smoky eye. Okay, let's see. What sparkle do I want to put over top? I'm thinking the sparkle I want to use is the same Kalidoes one. I just really love this stuff. This little shade from the Venus Trap. We're going to add more glitter here in a second. I did this thing the other day. I took my One Size Beauty Glinda setting spray and I just sprayed it on my face. And the amount of people that told me they loved my makeup, probably because it's fun and glittery. Who doesn't love a little glitter? If you're a glitter hater, what's wrong with you? Basically just like kissing the eyelids with this. So it's nice and sparkly. But I love how like scattered the glitter looks. Looks like snow in the dark when there's a light on it. I love how sparkly the snow looks. So this is my sparkle snow look. I feel like the Ice Princess would wear this. I still can't believe that girl died. Everyone be dying these days and it's crazy in like wild ways. We all see the news. It's insane. I still want a little more. Thinking, ooh, let's see what this looks like. Do I put a little here? Yeah, let's put a little of this blue from the palette just in this section. Adds a little bit more dimension to the eye and I'm really loving that. Actually, I just remembered this palette from Grwm Beauty, the first Wicked collab. Has some iciness in there too. Ooh yes, swankified. I can't speak. I'm still gonna clean this up obviously with a Q-tip. And I will be right back. I'm loving this so far. I feel like it needs more glitter, which we can do in a second. That looks pretty good. I'm loving that. I still want more sparkle, so I think I might do a little more sparkle. I have this Morphe palette in Rich Glitch. Let me see what this looks like. I think that looks pretty good. My eyes look so amber. I think I do want a liner though. Go in with some waterproof eyeliner. I got this 2-pack from Marshall's. Look at this little, I collect vintage makeup. I'm probably gonna film a video on all my vintage makeup and purses, but I'll show you a little sneak peek. It's a mother of pearl. And then it has a little mirror. It also has a spot for a lipstick and it folds up and it's just in your purse. And I wish makeup was still made like this because this is so pretty. I need to find my lipstick molds because I'm gonna clean this out and I think I'm gonna make my own lipstick to put in here. Eyeliner time. We must focus. I miss my Lisa Eldridge kitten flick. I mean, I still have it. It's just very dried out and I just loved how thin and micro that tip was. I mean, this one's pretty thin too. Gonna put some mascara. I'm just using this mini Maybelline Falsies mascara, nothing crazy, but I do like it. Ugh, I love makeup. Isn't it weird how we film ourselves and then post it for other people to watch? I mean, it's not that weird, but anytime I think about anything a little too hard, I feel like my brain's gonna explode. That's why I love makeup. It's a nice distraction from the chaos of the world. I don't know why some people think it's evil or only women should wear it. Like, who cares? It's literally dirt on our faces. Pretty dirt by that matter. Very pretty dirt. Like, look how sparkly it is. Is this just like crushed up rocks on my eyes? Is that how they make makeup? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna pop some lashes on. There the lashes are. If I could collab with any brand, I think it would be Ioni from the Dollar Tree. I love a lot of their makeup products, but their lashes are my favorite on the planet. Like, these are the Halfling ones. We're gonna do our brows just a little because I feel like they just need a little love. I don't typically do them that much anymore, but I do like this brow pencil. It's very micro. And then of course brow gel to keep these caterpillars on my face down, but not just any brow gel, glitter brow gel. If I can't add whimsy to every part of my life, I don't want it, because it creates so much joy for me, and other people enjoy it. Who doesn't? If I saw someone walking around with glitter brows, I would go make my brows glittery too. You could obviously just do this with a clear gel and then add like a glitter on it so it kind of sticks down. Face time. Okay, even though it is winter, don't forget your SPF. I've been kind of failing on this, and my skin has been like a little bit more red in this area. Wearing SPF every day as well as doing other stuff can reduce that, and I love this one from e.l.f. It's the invisible sunscreen. It's so blurring, doesn't irritate my skin, because some SPFs can break you out, and I don't want to break out. Then I'm already breaking out, you know. Ooh, my tan settled weird in my crevices. Having a little bit of a color makes me feel better, a little less dead inside. Okay, for foundation, since I did tan a little, I'm gonna mix my two favorite foundations. Well, it's my one favorite, it's just two different shades, Light 4G and 2NW, just because I'm a little tan, just a little. And then because I just want to add a little hydration too, I'm gonna add some of the Aura drops from Rem Beauty, just to add a little glow, which we all need in the winter, because my skin be dry. Though I've been using some new skincare and I feel like it has been helping. My friend Kayla put on her story like this ginseng eye serum that has retinol in it, and I've been using that, and she wasn't kidding. It works pretty good. I'll list it below. It's from a brand I've used before. And I might use that concealer from earlier, the white one, just a little. For the first part of my blush, I'm going to use this liquid blush that I got from the Dollar Tree in one of my previous videos. And I've noticed a lot of people put the blush up like really high in these looks. So I thought I would try that out. I'm going to round it out a little, just because like that adds more cheekbone for me. I feel like I have, I don't know what shape face I have. Shape of my face. Face shape? Words are hard. But I feel like if I just do it up here, it makes my face look longer. So we're gonna add a bit of it right here. I actually might go back in with this light blue palette and kind of set my under eyes with the white and blue. And then I'm gonna mix it with a little setting powder. Doesn't matter what kind. Just using this translucent one. And I'm just kind of buffing that in the brush too. I kind of love that. I think that's fun. Add some more blue here. I also have that pink powder from the Dollar Tree that I think I'm gonna also put on the edges of my blush. I really like that technique where you like kind of blend just some powder over the pink powder over your blush area because I feel like it just blends it nice. And it's also a pretty pink, so I might just set the whole blush with it. I am going to take the smallest bit of this Moira Beauty Blush, Marvelous Baked Blush, and Strawberry Macaroon and just slightly add a bit of pink shimmer. Just to add, it has a silver sparkle, so it kind of goes with the look. Gonna put some on my nose to tie it in, a little on the chin. And because I can't help myself, we're gonna take that same sparkle from the Kosas powder palette and just put it up here too. It's like my highlight. No. I think if I just do this enough, maybe it'll buff away. You can kind of see it. Oh well. It's covered in glitter. Don't look at that side. See if I can add a little more sparkle with this Half Magic, like glitter puck. Yes. Maybe that'll distract from my crazy intense dot I just did. Just add more sparkle. Gonna try these Wet n Wild eyebrow pencils as a lip contour. Obviously not very creamy, but it's a good color. It looks pretty good though. Now I'm gonna go in with MAC Greige, but that is a nice alternative. It just isn't as creamy as obviously. And then for the lip part, I think I want to take this e.l.f. lip tint, blush, sheer for it blush tint. It's for your lips and cheeks. Pretty. So I have like a cherry cola flavor scent. Cherry cola color adds a little bit more warmth. I'm gonna tap off that shine, and then of course we're gonna add a little sparkle. Cause like why not? Glitter lips in an easy way. But I hope you enjoyed this insane, fun winter makeup. My maximalist heart is very happy. And if you wanted to amp up the glitter even more, you could add that glitter spray like I mentioned. Do I do it? Let's do it. Oh, it's intense. Sparkly though. Ugh. That's a strong scent. Look at even the glitter in my hair. Oh, I love glitter. But don't forget to have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. And if you got it to this end, tell me your favorite winter activity below. Mine would probably just be looking at Christmas lights and playing with my nephews. But yeah, and staring at sparkly snow. Don't like snow, but I can appreciate the glitter. But have a beautiful day or night wherever